Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little gift basket that I put together for our cousin Chanel's birthday. She's also a new mom. This gift would be good for any new mom or even Mother's Day. And with Mother's Day coming up kind of around the corner, I figured this would be a great idea to show it to you guys. I would say it's a mommy's emergency survival kit. I had labeled every item in here to give an explanation of the reason why I'm giving it to her. So let's dive in. I'll show you what I did. Doesn't make much sense now, but I'm just going to show you real quick. This is a mug with some Reese's candies. Reese's or Reese's, I don't know, how do you guys say it? Some alcohol, gum, tea and coffee, a candle, perfume, and some granola bars. All right, I'm going to put it together and it'll make more sense. All right, we'll start with the candle. So this one is labeled when you need to relax. Then she can go and light this lavender lemonade candle, which I got from Target. Then if she's low on energy, she can drink some coffee or tea. So I labeled that when you need more energy. Next, I have energy bars when you don't have time to eat. And gum for when you have no time to brush your teeth. When you have no time to shower, that's Victoria's Secret perfume. This one is Reese's candies. When times are rough, remember all the reasons why you're a great mom. And then last but not least is the alcohol, the little 3 shots of alcohol, when you need me time. So obviously this is a gag gift for moms because the ongoing joke is that when you become a parent or a new mom, you really have no time for yourself. You're so busy focusing on your little one that, you know, the joke is you don't have time to brush your teeth or you don't have time to shower or eat. And sometimes you go crazy and you need a reminder that there's so many reasons why you're a great mom. Or sometimes you just cry to have some relaxation time. So lighting up a candle and taking a bath. And when all fails, then you can rely on these 3 little guys to warm your tummy up. Anyways, happy birthday, Chanel. I'm going to put this all together and show you guys the final product. So now I have it all in the basket. I'm going to use some cellophane and wrap it up so that nothing falls out. So this is the end product. Kind of went with a yellow sunflowery wrapping theme. Alright guys, hopefully I was able to spark some ideas for you or inspire you to put together a gift basket for your mom for Mother's Day or even for a friend or family who happens to be a new mom. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.